Bitcoin futures, the interesting levels are the range of this bar, the little gap just here where if price does move higher at some point in the future, it'll require some sort of increased effort to get through this little gap, I expect. I suggested last week that price would attempt to move sideways in an accumulation pattern for a while. You'll see buying support came in on this bar and buying support came in on this bar. This was a consolidation bar. This was a consolidation bar, and once again this week an attempt to consolidate. This is an attempt to accumulate through here like this by some in the market. Accumulations are periods where the market remains vulnerable. They're not always successful. A period of accumulation can take place that fails. Something fundamental happens in the market and those who are accumulating can dump their stock very quickly. They're not committed to their positions just yet. And if that happens, you'll get a widespread down bar in response. So at the moment, I would suggest that there's an accumulation taking place. There's no guarantee it'll be successful, but that's the attempt at the moment. If you see price at some point break above this gap, perhaps test the breakout for strength and then move higher, those who have accumulated will become committed and will start defending against supply and attempting to mark the price up. If something in the market fundamentally happens to cause them to dump their stock, you'll see a widespread down bar in response, a break below the lows here, and price will come back to a previous support level. There's a minor one about 25k and there's another one about 20k. So they're your two levels that you would look at if there was a serious breakdown. At the moment, there is an accumulation underway. Whether it will be successful or not is not yet known. And you can accumulate with the accumulators, but just always be aware that those who are buying aren't yet committed to these positions and they will dump them if something happens that causes a change in sentiment. Okay, thanks for your time.